Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing a steering wheel in the old Mach 1 here. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on this video if you have any questions. And without further ado, let's get started. So I hope I don't have to explain why the Mach 1 needs a new steering wheel. I think it's pretty obvious. It's pretty rough shape. So I went on down to the old O'Reilly's and picked up a Grant steering wheel. And I have no idea how to install this. I got the adapter and stuff here. Yeah, so we're just gonna jump right into this and try to get this thing put on the car. Alright, I decided to spare you guys and I decided to cut out the part of me removing this thing, so you're welcome. But anyway, now we're gonna grab this other stuff and try to put this new steering wheel on, I guess. Alright, so I got the instructions here, and if I'm picking up what this is putting down, I believe this slips on first. So, okay, so I need to make it straight up and down. So can this only go on us? Alright, I think I kind of got this figured out. 1 second though. Right, so I just went ahead and hand tightened the hub to the steering wheel here. And that's so it can help me get it straight up and down, because this thing can slip on anywhere on this spline. So the steering wheel was straight here. And it should be straight there also. So I think that's pretty much that. Aw, dude, look how clean this hub cover looks. The little bezel that goes around the hub there, it lines up perfect. Dude, that couldn't have got any better. So the steering wheel's on there, it's pretty much perfect. No guarantees it'll be this good for you, but it's turning out great for the Mach 1. The old O'Reilly steering wheel's really coming in clutch. So I'm gonna finish putting this on and wiring on the horn buttons. Alright, so that was a lot more simple than I thought. So just gotta figure out how to put this horn cap on now. Oh. Alright. Okay, that looks sick. Oh, take a look at that, guys. Along with the seats, it's really looking good. Wow, it fits in there perfectly. Looks like it could be from the factory, dude. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video, and you're gonna notice this. Yes, I've had a haircut since the last clip. We have the steering wheel in and it looks great. It handles a lot better than the original one because it's quite a bit smaller, so it's a lot lower ratio, so I really like it. Now you probably didn't learn much from this video, and that's because it wasn't intended to be a how-to video. So if you came here trying to learn how to install a steering wheel, well, you're looking at the wrong guy. It's more just for entertainment and showing you guys the process of installing an aftermarket steering wheel if you had no idea how to do it. Like I didn't have any idea how to do it. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.